Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most debated topics among PC enthusiasts: air coolers versus liquid coolers. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore overclocker, choosing the right cooling system is critical to keep your rig performing at its best. But which one is the best for you? Let's find out. So before we pick sides, let's quickly break down what each cooler type actually is. Air coolers. These use metal heat sinks and fans to draw heat away from the CPU. Simple, affordable, and reliable. Liquid coolers. These are more advanced. Using water or coolant, they transfer heat away from the CPU through tubes, radiators, and fans. First up, let's talk about air coolers. If you're looking for something straightforward and budget-friendly, air cooling is your friend. They're super easy to install and require almost no maintenance. Plus, with advancements in design, modern air coolers can be just as effective for most builds. And don't forget, they're also quieter than you might think. You won't have to worry about pumps or potential leaks. See? Pop it in, tighten the screws, and you're ready to go. No fuss. Now on the flip side, we have liquid coolers. These beauties aren't just about looking cool with their RGB effects. Though let's be real, that's a big plus. Liquid coolers are more efficient at dissipating heat because liquid conducts heat faster than air. This is especially important for overclockers or people with high-performance rigs. Another win for liquid coolers? They're quieter than you might expect, yes, even quieter than air coolers in some cases. That's because the fans on the radiator don't have to work as hard to keep things chill. But hold up, neither option is perfect. Air coolers can be bulky, and I mean really bulky. If you have a small case, you might run into space issues. Plus, for those of you aiming to push your CPU to its absolute limit, air cooling might not cut it. And liquid coolers? Well, while they offer better performance, they do come with risks. Installation is a bit more complex, and the last thing anyone wants is a leak inside their precious gaming rig. It's rare, but it can happen. So how do you choose? Here's the bottom line. If you're on a budget, not planning to overclock, or just want something low maintenance, air cooling is a solid pick. If you're looking to maximize performance, especially for high-end gaming or content creation, and you don't mind spending a little more, liquid cooling might be worth the investment. But remember, both options will get the job done. It really comes down to your personal needs. So which one is best for your PC? Honestly, there's no one-size-fits-all answer, but hopefully, now you have a clearer idea of what works for your build. Let me know in the comments what you're using, air or liquid, and why. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more PC tips, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing.